In this video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze marketing email campaign performance in HubSpot. To do that, first head over right here to your marketing and then locate the email. From in there, click on the sent email. So let's click on this and you can find right here all of the emails that you have sent so far. So once you have opened it, you should be able to see as well the performance or analyze tab. So in there, just head over and click on this. Here we can see the performance. You can see the actual recipients for this and you can analyze it. You can see the open rate, click rate. You can review these key metrics and use filters to segment data by contact list, dates, or email types. You can also see right here the actual dashboard for its analytics and you can use this to base off and then strategize how you want to present the next form in order to reach more people. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.